How to make cutscenes in Roblox Studio. Create a folder. Name it Cutscene. Create a part, put this part in the folder. Start naming the first part as number 1. We will use the part in this folder as the camera. On the part, right-click and select Show Orientation Indicator. Notice the direction with the letter F. This is the direction the camera will be positioned and see. Now set the camera to the various positions you want and name them with numbers in order of where your camera will move. Once you have the camera set up, set Can Collide to False so the player doesn't collide with the camera, and Anchored to True so the camera stays where you want it. Create a new part. This is the part that the player steps on and the cutscene will trigger. Name it Trigger. Make sure to set Anchored to True. Add local script to starter player scripts. Writing the script. This script will play a camera cutscene when the player taps the trigger. The camera will move to the installed point. References, service, object, player control module, and debounce setup. In the play cutscene function, stops the player from moving during the cutscene. Give the script complete control over camera movement. Retrieves all camera parts and sorts them by name. Instantly sets the camera to the first cutscene point. Use the tween animation to move the camera smoothly. If its name ends in S, it's a snap point, so the camera jumps instantly. Return camera control to the player and re-enable player movement. Listens for a player touching the trigger. Plays the cutscene with speed 3. Waits 5 seconds before allowing it to trigger again. Once everything is ready, select all camera parts and set the transparency to 1 to hide the camera. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.